Nothing puts the ho-ho-ho in horror like a Christmas Eve full of ghost stories. These holiday frights have been getting us through the long, dark nights since the days of the pagan festival of Yule and have stayed with us in new and exciting variations throughout the centuries. From A Christmas Carol to Krampus, there has been a long and loving tradition of injecting the paranormal into your pageantry, but there are some that have made an impression on us more than others, making them our go-to tales for everything terrifying. Some may be printed, and others just whispered in front of the fireplace, but all of these stories have stayed spooky throughout the years and will likely continue to top the list of Yuletide ghost stories for many generations to come. So, naughty or nice, be sure you're checking this ghost story list twice, because nothing will warm you up this winter better than a stocking stuffed with the supernatural. Celebrating Christmas and the New Year can be made even more festive with beautifully designed nails. Here are some creative nail art ideas that capture the holiday spirit. ## Christmas nail ideas. 1. Classic red and green asterisk. Use a deep red base with shiny green accents. You can create alternating colors on each nail or use nail art tape for a geometric design. Add gold glitter tips for a festive touch. 2. Snowflakes and glitter asterisk. Start with a light blue or white base. Use a fine brush or nail stamping plate to create intricate snowflake designs with white polish. Top with a layer of glitter polish to mimic sparkling snow. 3. Christmas tree accent nails asterisk. Paint most nails with a solid color like deep green or red and use one accent nail, on the ring finger, for example, to create a small Christmas tree using tiny dots of green polish and tiny star stickers or gold glitter on top. 4. Candy cane stripes asterisk. Use a white base and create red diagonal stripes to mimic candy canes. Finish off with a glossy top coat for shine. 5. Santa and Rudolph asterisk. Create adorable Santa and Rudolph designs on your accent nails. Use red for Santa's hat and a brown base for Rudolph's face, with tiny white dots for the eyes. ## New Year nail ideas. 1. Champagne bubbles asterisk. Use a nude or gold base color, and add silver or gold dots at the tips of your nails to mimic champagne bubbles. You can also use a glittery top coat to add sparkle. 2. Geometric gold and black asterisk. A matte black base with shiny gold geometric patterns or stripes can give a classy New Year's look. Use nail tape for sharp lines. 3. Glitter ombre asterisk. Start with a color of your choice, teal, navy, or dark purple, and create an ombre effect with glitter transitioning from the cuticle to the tip. This gives a festive vibe perfect for New Year celebrations. 4. Fireworks design asterisk. On a dark blue or black base, use bright colors like pink, gold, and blue to create fireworks designs with short lines radiating from a central point. 5. **** 2024 celebration asterisk. If it's the new year, why not incorporate the year? Use a nude or black base and create the numbers 2024 on all or some of your nails with metallic or glitter polish. ## Tips for achieving the perfect holiday nails. Nail art tools asterisk. Invest in dotting tools, striping tape, and brushes to help create intricate designs. Top coat asterisk. Always finish with a good quality top coat to protect your nail art and add shine. Practice asterisk. Don't hesitate to practice your designs on a fake nail or in nail art apps before applying them. Nail strips or decals asterisk. If you're short on time or not confident in your freehand skills, consider using nail strips or decals for festive designs. Whether you choose to go bold with intricate designs or keep it simple with elegant shades, festive nails are a great way to show your holiday spirit. Enjoy decorating your nails this Christmas and New Year.
Beautiful Christmas nails can really add to the festive spirit. Here are some ideas and designs you can consider for your Christmas nails. 1. Classic red and green asterisk. Use a deep red base with green accent nails. You can add gold or silver glitter for a sparkling touch. 2. Snowflakes asterisk. A light blue or white base with hand-painted or sticker snowflakes. You can use silver or light blue for added depth. 3. Christmas trees asterisk. Small, hand-painted Christmas trees on a nude or green background, decorated with tiny gems or dots for ornaments. 4. Candy canes asterisk. Alternate red and white stripes for a candy cane effect on some nails, with others painted in solid colors. 5. Santa and reindeer asterisk. Fun designs featuring Santa Claus, reindeer, or even Christmas presents can be playful and festive. 6. Rapid gift designs asterisk. Short nails can look adorable with gift-wrapped designs, using different colors for ribbons. 7. Glitter and glam asterisk. A festive glitter gradient, gold or silver glitter fading into a darker base can be very elegant. 8. Plaid patterns asterisk. Traditional red and green plaid patterns can give a cozy, warm feeling to your nails. 9. Holy berry and leaves asterisk. A white or nude base with red berries and green leaves painted on can be a lovely accent. 10. Winter wonderland asterisk. Cool tones like icy blue and white with shimmering topcoat and a few snowflake designs. To achieve these looks, you can use nail polish, nail art pens, stickers, or even nail wraps. Add a glossy topcoat to give them a polished finish. Happy decorating!